Hello everyone, welcome to the OutPower newscast. Today's stories include the next OutSystems events, a look into the new MVPs, and a quick peek into this week's community highlights. The date and location for the next step has been made available. We can count with 2 events during the month of October. They will be in Denver and Amsterdam. These events are always a blast, so make sure you can get your hands on one of those tickets. Now, following the next step, we'll talk about Meetups. The official OutSystems UK Meetup group is now known as London OutSystems User Group, and it has been announced that the next event will be on the 18th of September. Hope to see you there. OutSystems has always been great at providing updates to their technology. Recently, it has been announced that now we can use SAML 2.0. SAML 2.0 Authentication for Web is now available in the Users module. This provides an easier configuration if you're using an identity provider that uses the SAML protocol. Also, there is the option for Azure AD, where it will pre-fill some values if you're using as an identity provider the Azure AD. For more detailed information on this feature, please refer to the OutSystems Documentation. Now let's talk about MVPs. The OutSystems MVP Program has been going on for 3 years now. Recently, OutSystems has announced that 10 members have joined the program. These are individuals from all over the world that have worked very hard to achieve this. We at OutPower would like to congratulate them. If you want to know more, please follow the link below that will take you to this page. Now, going over to the community highlights. The MVP community member Rafa OutSystems has released new content. He goes over some tips on how to improve the performance of your application. Great for newcomers who want to improve their skills and veterans that just want to refresh their knowledge. The link to the forum post will be available down below. In this week's Forge releases, we can count with the presence of the OutSystems R&D. OutSystems has released a new version of the OutSystems UI Web. As a consequence, new versions of the OutSystems Sample Data and the OutSystems Template Screen Web have also been released due to dependencies. This new version of the OutSystems UI Web has been released because there has been improvements to the UX of the date picker, and they fixed the issue with the selection of the year range not being updated with the current selection. As for this week's most relevant deployments on the Forge by the community members, we have the following picks. This week's idea that has picked up more interest was to add a Notes/Comments tab on Service Studio by Eric Bolters. The concept is to have a central place where all the developers that work on the project can collaborate and share information on their development work. That is all for today, but please join us next time for more OutSystems news by OutPower. Have a good one.